Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry teacher for NEET and IIT exams. In previous videos, we completed reduction of various functional groups with LiAlH4. Those videos you can see from the below links in this video. Now see the multiple choice questions related to LiAlH4. In previous classes, we completed this tabular form also. A reduction of various functional groups with LiAlH4. So this tabular form, if you remember, then we can answer multiple choice questions very easily. Now see the multiple choice questions. What is the name of product when cyclopentane carboldehyde is reduced with LiAlH4? Cyclopentane carboldehyde, see the reaction. This is cyclopentane, CHO is attached. This is called cyclopentane carboldehyde. When this compound is treated with LiAlH4, then product is this one, cyclopentane group having CH2OH. That means CHO is reduced to primary alcohol. Its name is cyclopentyl methanol. So already we know that aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols with LiAlH4. Here also same change takes place. CHO converted to CH2OH. Then what is the option? Option D is the answer. Next, reduction of 1-methyl pyrrolidine 2-one with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4 will give. So here reactant is 1-methyl pyrrolidine 2-one. Say this reactant. When hydrogen is attached to this nitrogen, that is called pyrrolidine. Now hydrogen is replaced by CH3 and second position having keto group. So its name is 1-methyl pyrrolidine 2-one. So this is first position, this is second position having keto group. That's why its name is 1-methyl pyrrolidine 2-one is treated with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4. Say this, when a compound containing keto group is treated with 1 equivalent of LiAlH4, then alcohol is formed. Keto group is converted to secondary alcohol. Now that alcohol is treated with 1 more equivalent of LiAlH4, then it is converted to alkane. Here also keto group is treated with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4. That's why finally we can get this is the product 1-methyl pyrrolidine. So keto group finally converted to alkane. So this is the product in this case. Then what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next, see the next one. The reduction product of N-ethyl propanamide with LiAlH4. N-ethyl propanamide with LiAlH4. Now write the reactant structure. CH3, CH2, CO, NH, C2H5. So ethyl group attached to the nitrogen in the amide. Its name is N-ethyl propanamide When this amide is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, then product is CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, C2H5. Here two alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen. It is a secondary amine. Its name is N-ethyl propane 1 amine. So what is the product in this case? Option D is the answer. Next, see the next question. The solvent that can be used when 4-methoxybenzoic acid is reduced with LAH. LAH is the short form of lithium aluminum hydride. So when lithium aluminum hydride is used for the reduction process, then suitable solvent is either diethyl ether or THF, tetrahydrofuran. Either this or this we can use as the solvent. Then option D is the answer. Next, acetyl chloride is reduced with LiAlH4. The product formed is, see the reaction, acetyl chloride, CH3, COCl. This is the acetyl chloride formula. When this acetyl chloride is treated with LiAlH4 followed by acidic hydrolysis, then we can get primary alcohol CH3, CH2, OH. So its name is ethyl alcohol. Then what is the suitable option? Option C. Next, the most appropriate reagent to convert RCOOET means ethyl. So ester is converted to alcohol. Then what is the suitable reagent? LiAlH4, sodium borohydride, hydrogen in presence of palladium and charcoal, lithium in liquid ammonia. Here sodium borohydride is not suitable because it can be used as reducing agent for aldehydes and ketones. It cannot reduce esters. Next, hydrogen in presence of palladium and charcoal. This reducing agent is suitable for the reduction of alkynes and alkenes to alkanes. Next, lithium and liquid ammonia. It is used in Birch reduction. This reagent is used in Birch reduction. By using this reagent, we can reduce alkynes into transalkenes. So here suitable reagent is LiAlH4. Okay students, thank you.